Hey guys, what's up? I'm Kazidelicious, and I decided for quarantine-o-ween I would do some fun face makeup for you guys. Maybe turn it into a costume. And so I asked everyone during my live session on Facebook this morning what I should do. And some suggested that I should do a Glam Frankenstein. As you guys know, I don't do glam anything really, so I figured it would be somewhat of a challenge for me.
Shut the fuck up! No one said you could talk. Don't make batteries, no I don't have any. Got all these new toys and I can't even play with them. Wind me up and I shout. I'm not afraid of the dark and I walk under the ladder. You web of lies and your deceit. Let's return it with the original receipt. I'm tired of your jokes and your stupid games. Let's call each other insignificant names. Super creepy song, yeah. Sing it to the rhythm. Super creepy song, yeah. And I think I wanna kill 'em. Super creepy song, yeah. I'm not really the villain. Super creepy song, yeah. You just never met 'em. Take this ballroom for your last dance. You're lucky that you had that final chance. Gone insane, watch me explode for things you thought had gone unknown. Watch the beehive make the honey. Nowhere in the world do they have enough money to spend golden locks of hay to make my hatred go away. Ring around the rosy as we sing for you to fall down. You thought you were king of this castle? Well, I guess you lost your crown. Whips and chains as I beat you to death. Do you still think it's simple with that mess off your chest? As I emasculate you, eat your dinner for this final prize. You are the winner. I'm so hungry. Spicy meatball. Spicy street ball. Spicy meatball. Spicy street ball. Spicy meatball. Spicy street ball. All year long I'm dreaming of it. Only one weekend I'll get a chance to go to the fest and get my favoriteest spicy meatball. Spicy street ball. Spicy meatball. Spicy street ball. No one makes it just like this. Perfect mix of garlic. Perfect mix of salt and pepper. Man, you gotta try it. Never would've known if I didn't go somewhere new. It goes to show that if you take yourself out once in a while, you might find something good. Spicy meatball. Spicy street ball. Spicy meatball. Spicy street ball. So I came to the fest with a couple of friends. We were buying food, tickets, spin. We were all about those funnel cakes, but all I could think was, oh, I need that little ball of meat. Such a delicious, tasty treat. Can you please sprinkle my with cheese? I really can't wait to eat my spicy meatball. Spicy street ball. Spicy meatball. Spicy street ball. I couldn't believe that it cost $9. Man, I wanted to scream and holler till I took out my sword. Took a bite. Man, I love this fucking night. I'll be back here next year again. Till then, I'll be dreaming 24/7, 365. This meatball's why I'm alive. Spicy meatball. Spicy street ball. Spicy meatball. Spicy street ball. I'm waiting for the bathroom now. now, and the line is very long, and my tummy is saying things, but now I just pray to God, please make it be okay. Spicy meatball, spicy meatball, spicy street ball, spicy meatball,
And I'm gonna put on a costume and take some photos, but this is my Glam Frankenstein. Took me a lot longer than I would have expected, but this is probably the cutest I've looked in a long time. Oh shoot.
meatballs at the fest. Take a joke, my butter. Spicy meatballs, get your spicy meatballs, only $9 or 2 for $20. These shits is limited.